the customer in our case was able to work with us to speed up a process that used to take them 18 months. We got it done in a little under 2 months. Hi, my name is Tony Lee. I'm the Vice President of Partners and Alliances at LandingAI. At LandingAI, we help companies use their visual data to speed up their business processes. That could be documents, images, videos. So if you're a manufacturer, you could be using our AI to help with your visual inspection process or how you're building your engines. You could be using our technology to help look at medical images or for disease detection or even doing deep research. AWS and Snowflake have been an incredible, reliable partner for us in building our business. For the things we're trying to do, we need to have very strong technical backbone and AI capabilities. And the two companies have been amazing in helping us build new products, bring it to our customers. And I can't imagine building products without the two. One of our new products that we're releasing is called Agentic document extraction. Essentially, we can understand any type of documents, no matter the format, no matter the complexity. And the way that we're able to do that is we apply agentic reasoning. And to do that, we need a variety of tools. Having that directly available through Snowflake Cortex and over our AWS infrastructure has been very helpful to our development team to be able to build on top of that. For example, if you're a healthcare company or a financial services company, you could now use our agentic document extraction API all within your Snowflake environment without having to be afraid where your data is going and accessing the capability of our API, which is powered by some of the most powerful large language models out there. And not just simply there for you. Because it's within Snowflake. Everybody wants to augment their business using AI, but everybody's afraid, where are you going to use my data? Where is that going to go? And having the partnership with Snowflake and AWS was critical to that mission. It's so exciting to be in this period of time where really AI is changing everything. I can only say that we'll have a lot more to come on the Snowflake platform.